Hi friends, this is Gautam. In this video tutorial, I am going to discuss about EIGRP routing protocol on DMVPN phase 1. So in my last video session itself, I will show it to you how to configure basic configuration of DMVPN phase 1. So the same configuration I kept as it is in hub router as well as spoke router. So we can see in addition we have to configure the EIGRP routing protocol on hub router as well as both spoke router. So here we can see the DMVPN is already configured. So I got the entry NHSRP catches for both spoke 1 and spoke 2. In spoke 1 also I have an entry for hub router. In spoke 2 also I have an entry for hub router. So before going to configure EIGRP routing protocol, I'm going to ping the tunnel IP of spoke 1 and spoke 2. So 172.16.1.2. So here we can see I am getting a reply. So now I am going to try to ping the spoke 2 tunnel IP 3. So that one also I'm getting reply. Okay, so now we are going to configure the EIGRP routing protocol with the AS number 1. So first I have to go to the hub router, have to configure router EIGRP and AS number is 1. Next one, network is loopback network is 1.1.1. Next one, the overlay network, that is a tunnel network, is 172.16.1.0 and corresponding wildcard mask I am typing here. Okay, next one, no auto summary exit. So same thing we have to configure on spoke 1 router also. So router EIGRP 1. Next one, the loopback network for spoke 1 is 2.2.2.2. So next direct connected network is our overlay network, that is a tunnel network is 172.16.1.0 no auto summary exit. So I got EIGRP neighbor relationship from hub router. So same thing we have to configure on spoke 2 router also, router EIGRP 1 and loopback network is 3.3.3 and network 172.16.1.0, that is our tunnel network. No auto summary. So here also I got neighbor relationship. So just go to R1 router, show IP EIGRP neighbor. I got the neighbor relationship between spoke 1 as well as spoke 2. So now I am giving show IP route EIGRP. So through the EIGRP routing protocol, I can learn the spoke 1 loopback network and spoke 2 loopback network. So same we have to check it on spoke 1 also. Show IP EIGRP neighbor. So I got neighbor relationship from hub router. Sub is my neighbor. Show IP route EIGRP. So I can learn only the loopback network of hub, not able to learn the loopback network of branch 2, that is a spoke 2. So first we can check spoke router also. Show IP EIGRP neighbor. So I got neighbor shift from the hub router. Okay, show IP route EIGRP. So in spoke 2 router also I can learn the loopback network of hub only. So why means because EIGRP comes under distance vector routing protocol, so there is an split horizon issue. So just go to the hub router tunnel 1 interface, you have to remove the split horizon, then only branch 1 router can learn the loopback network of branch 2. So vice versa, branch 2 network can learn the loopback network of branch 1. So just go to the hub router, then you have to go to that particular interface tunnel, then you have to give no IP split horizon, no space IP space split horizon EIGRP AS number is 1 exit. So now we can check in spoke router show IP route EIGRP. Here we can see now I can learn the loopback network of spoke 2. Let's check it on spoke 2 show IP route EIGRP. Yeah, so spoke 2 also can learn the loopback network of spoke 1. So only one thing you have to check closely, the 3.3.3 network can learn via 172.16.1.1, that is an hub network. So the next hop IP is a hub. So same like in spoke 2 also, this is a spoke 1 network, it can learn through hub. Now the next hop IP is 172.16.1.1 is a hub router IP. So this is a DMVPN phase 1. Anyway, spoke to spoke, the traffic will be going via hub router only. So in that case, there is this is not an issue. But if you are using in DMVPN phase 2, this is an issue. So during that video session, I will explain you how to change that next hop value. So as of now, there is no issues at all, because DMVPN phase 1, the spoke to, there is no direct communication between spoke to spoke. Anyway, the traffic will be going via hub router only. Just leave it as it is. So just I'm trying to ping the loopback IP of spoke 2. So that is a 3.3.3.3.3 and source is 2.2.2.2. I'm getting a ping. Next I am giving trace route 3.3.3 and source is 2.2.2. So here we can see the packet going via hub, then afterwards it reaching the spoke 2. Okay friends, I hope you all liked the video. So thank you for watching my video. If you have any queries, please reach out to me and share your comments with me. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching my video.